Hi, Lori Gabriel here, and I'm at 349 Scantic Road in East Windsor, Connecticut. This is a gorgeous colonial and you don't want to miss it. Come on in and take a look around. Enter into a beautiful foyer with nice tiled floors. That then lead into a formal living room. There are gorgeous hardwood floors. They're 4-inch all throughout the home. Family room and a remodeled kitchen. All of your appliances are included. Granite countertops. The windows have been updated. You have white kitchen cabinets. Double sinks. Stainless steel appliances. There's gas heat here and a gas stove. This home has central air, and on a day like today, you need that central air, so it's awesome. You have a dining room that is separate on the first floor. You can use that as a master bedroom or a first floor bedroom if you had company, or you can use it as a dining room. There's so much space, you can decide how to utilize it. A large 2-car garage. All upstairs in the beautiful 4 bedrooms, very large space. You have a beautiful master suite. That offers a really nice remodeled tiled shower. You have 4 full bathrooms in this home. There is plenty of room for your family to spread out. Great bathroom with double sinks. In the lower level, there's a rec room as well. And it has plenty of space for the kids to play or a man cave. Your back slider here off of the dining space leads to a huge deck that's Trex decking and a fenced-in yard just about all the way around. You start out on the Trex deck covered front porch. It's gorgeous and you can sit there and enjoy. So if you'd like to come take a look at this home for a private showing, give me a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you. You don't want to miss this colonial. Give us a call.